Uncrewed surface vehicles have already proved able to deliver a basic autonomous mine hunting capability for the Royal Navy. Here we look at proposals by AEUK to expand the role of USVs to act as sensor and weapon platforms. Autonomous boats carrying sensors and effectors is not a new concept, but other than in mine warfare roles, the first operational examples have mostly been smaller low-cost attritable solutions. The emergence of the kamikaze one-way attack boats developed by Ukraine and used by the Houthis in the Red Sea are the most high-profile examples of weaponized USVs. The RN is currently trialing an autonomous RIB armed with an automatic weapon. The Iranian Navy, or IRGC, probably has gone furthest in developing heavily armed boats of this size, although not yet fully autonomous. Value proposition slightly larger and more sophisticated mid-sized USVs have the potential to enhance or even replace expensive warships for some tasks. A boat approximate 10-20 m in length with a displacement in the 15 to 25 tons range has the capacity and range to carry quite sophisticated useful distances. The mid-size USV is small enough to be road transportable or embarked on vessels of large frigate size or above, and has sufficient stability to operate in conditions up to sea state 4. This means they are ideal for use in the littorals, for coastal defense, or supporting amphibious operations. In some circumstances, they need not even embark in a host vessel, but could sail in company with the warship and be used as a mini surface action unit. Alternatively, the USV or multiple USVs could be controlled from a land-based operations center independent of any warship support or tactical command. The advantages of autonomy are well rehearsed, but in this context includes the ability to take on high-risk missions without risk to life, an affordable way to add mass when hull numbers are lacking, and a way of extending the sensor horizon well beyond the surface ship's own sensors. A mid-size USV used to reduce risk to a 1 billion pounds plus warship and its crew, or multiplying its effect, would represent very good value. The 15 m SEA-class workboats produced for the RN by AEUK cost in the 1 to 2 million pounds range, depending on equipment fit and economies of scale, which compares favorably with the price of a single high-end missile. In a Navy struggling for sailors, the attraction of autonomous systems are obvious. For the next few years at least, the RN is going to have declining surface combatant numbers, and USVs could help offset this lack of mass. Being relatively cheap to acquire and quick to manufacture, multi-mission, the mid-size USV can carry a wide range of payloads. At the simpler end of the spectrum would be a picket boat, sent up threat and equipped with ISR equipment, such as EO cameras and a small radar to provide a measure of early warning.